I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, daily chart. The bottom line is Bitcoin has been doing nothing. It's been just consolidating, price compression. You've got a bear pennant that's supposed to break lower. The measured move is 12,000. Doesn't mean that it's immediately headed there. Get a bounce and a rejection up to this level. You want to talk about Bitcoin higher prices, you need to really regain 19,000, 20,000 in order to work back up into this range. Okay, so again, there's some downside ideas for Bitcoin. We're going to zoom in. This is a very clear chart. You've got a pretty clean triangle right here. This is Kucoin, Bitcoin USDT chart, and the price action is right at the end. So looking for a move over the next 24 hours. Typically Sunday night, Monday morning, you see a move out of Bitcoin. So this price is compressing. Do you understand that? The price is compressing. It's like a spring. It's winding up tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter, ready to explode. Now, again, it's a continuation pattern, bearish continuation pattern. This is supposed to break lower, but if the bulls can turn it on, you'll see a move up here to 17,637, 18,368, but definitely downside targets you have to pay attention to. Now, Bitcoin CME futures, 1 hour, this is closed right now. A lot of the trading that I do is based on futures markets that's right now they're closed. And so essentially when these open tomorrow night, we're going to have a lot more to talk about as far as Bitcoin price action, but we need to understand what the market's capable of, you know. And so I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person made $1,000 shorting a bearish stochastic cross on Solana. This person said, following your tips, I'm up 7x in 3 days shorting the market. When you're trading the market both ways, you make money either way. This person said, I made $700 last week. That's about what I make at my job. So I'm very grateful to be in the group. This person has been in the group before. I've had so many people coming back and back and back. So many people coming back because we nailed the bangers. This person, first time, started out with 11,000. He ended up with 100,000. He over, 9x his money based on his time in the group. Bangers, banger after banger after banger. Had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto and an additional $100 off to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Bangers. This is key for reversal ideas, right? We want the stock market to rally. And so what's going to make the stock market rally is when the Fed says, hey, you know what? We're not quite as hawkish. We don't want to crush the markets anymore. We're going to pull back. And so the idea that the Fed could lift rates by just 50 basis points instead of the 75 we've seen time and time again, which has been talked about by Fed's Waller. He said he's more comfortable with the 50 basis point hike at this December meeting. Again, this is just one person on the Fed. And so, but again, he's mentioning it, he's talking about it. Could it happen? And I think things really can turn around based on a stock market rally. We need the stock market to rally to pull Bitcoin out of the hole, period. This is ES1. Like I said, this is closed right now, but if you've got a falling wedge right here, 68% chance this breaks higher at some point. But this upper trend line, the price actions got rejected. And I took you here the other day, time and time again, you've seen rejection after rejection after rejection after rejection. And so now is this the time where potentially Fed rates are not raised as much as they have been? And you see a breakout. I mean, things change dramatically when the price action breaks out of this level. Otherwise, this is an inflection point. If this dumps, you're looking for downside out of Bitcoin. It's that simple. The dollar has been on fire, but again, it's closed right now. As soon as it opens, we'll have movement out of the stock market. So Sunday night, Monday morning, just write it on your calendar. Always expect Bitcoin moves based on this idea. And so I've given you guys some setups yesterday, but Bitcoin has just been going sideways. It hasn't broken to the upside yet. So they're still valid. They just haven't broken out yet. So you wouldn't have entered those ideas. But the dollar, and again, is at a bounce idea based on this market structure. Will the DXY bounce? If this does happen, you will see stocks and crypto pull back. Visa CEO says good stablecoin regulation is what's necessary to build back confidence. I'm thinking good stablecoin regulation. What did FTX have to do with stablecoins? What about an entire market overhaul that takes the Wild West and you've got to have some type of structure, right? You want big money, you want institutions to enter this market. You have to have confidence in this market. It can't be, at this point, it's really scam central because it's just constant. You have a Luna, FTT, there's so many coins that just bottom out and go to zero, like nothing, because of the creator, right? And so again, there's a lot of things that need to happen. Yes, you want good stable coins. Obviously, you want exchanges to be backed fully by the amount of crypto that they say they have, and not all these crazy lending high interest rate. There's so many scams in this market. Everything needs to be cleaned up. But the important thing right now we want to talk about is Grayscale. They won't share their proof of reserves. So Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is a way that the stock market can trade Bitcoin. But they're saying, hey, these are security concerns. We don't want to give our wallet addresses out. Is this a red flag? They say crypto firms are under pressure to share information about the health of their reserves after FTX filed for bankruptcy protection. So crypto investment firm Grayscale says, nope, we're not doing it. Now, their Bitcoin and Ether products have fallen to all-time lows due to, obviously, they don't want to share this information. They said, hey, we have these security concerns. We do not want to make these all on-chain wallet information confirmation publicly available through a cryptographic proof of reserve. We just don't want to do it. So, hey, we say we have the money, but we don't want to show you. I mean, this is kind of what crypto is about, right? You're able to see what a wallet is holding, right? You can check. There's a system of checks and balances. Once you know the wallet owner, you can see exactly what they're holding. But they do not want to give up their information. And so Grayscale Bitcoin Trust hit a record low on Thursday, as well as Ethereum Trust. The digital currency group, they brushed off these fears, the shocking collapse of FTX. At the same time, they are affiliated with Grayscale. They halted withdrawals on Genesis. So Genesis was Genesis Global Capital. They were doing all these high interest loans with Gemini. And so again, there's some uncertainty here, and rightfully so. Will this be the next domino effect to knock the market over, or will this just blow over? So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.